Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving into a piece of cookware that's not just about function, but also about form and feeling. We're talking about the Overmont Enameled cast iron Dutch oven, and this isn't your average kitchen pot. Its most striking feature, right off the bat, is its adorable heart shape. In a vibrant, hot red enamel finish with a sleek silver knob, this Dutch oven is designed to bring a touch of warmth, elegance, and yes, love into your kitchen. It's positioned as perfect for romantic dinners or even just those smaller, intimate meals for one or two. It's certainly a conversation starter and a visually delightful addition to any countertop. But beyond the aesthetics, let's talk about what makes this a Dutch oven. It's crafted from premium enameled cast iron, and the material itself promises excellent performance. We're looking at even heat distribution, which is crucial for consistent cooking, and superior heat retention. This means once it gets hot, it stays hot, allowing for slow, steady simmering and braising. The product highlights its suitability for baking sourdough bread, which is a popular trend, as well as braising meats and simmering stews. A unique design element mentioned is the condensation points on the lid, which are meant to collect steam essence and then return it back into your food, helping to keep everything moist and incredibly flavorful. This is a feature often found in higher-end Dutch ovens, so it's interesting to see it implemented here. When it comes to versatility, this Dutch oven is oven-safe up to a considerable 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This opens up a lot of possibilities. You can use it on gas, electric, and ceramic stovetops, and then transfer it directly into a hot oven. This makes it ideal for dishes that start on the stove and finish in the oven, like pot roasts or baked pasta. The description emphasizes that it shines in every kitchen, and its 2-quart capacity makes it perfect for those smaller meals, as we mentioned earlier. Safety and ease of use are also key considerations. The interior is coated with food-grade enamel, which is touted as PFOA and PFAS-free, promoting healthier cooking. The enamel is also described as smooth and chip-resistant, which should make cleaning a relatively simple task. They suggest just warm water and a soft sponge, which is standard for enameled cast iron. The ergonomic side handles and an elevated lid knob are designed for safe and easy handling, even when wearing oven mitts, which is a practical touch that can prevent accidental burns. Now, let's consider who this is for and what you get. The Overmont heart-shaped Dutch oven is marketed as a fantastic gift. The packaging includes not just the pot and lid, but also a recipe book, heat-resistant pot holders, and a protective bottom pad. This comprehensive package makes it a thoughtful and complete present for occasions like weddings, birthdays, or housewarmings. It really positions the product as more than just a cooking vessel, but an experience and a gesture of care. So, let's break down the pros and cons based on these details. On the positive side, the unique heart shape and vibrant red color are definite standout features, making it a visually appealing item that can add personality to your kitchen. The enameled cast iron construction promises good cooking performance with even heat distribution and retention. The oven safety up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and compatibility with various stovetops offer good versatility. The inclusion of a recipe book and accessories in the gift set is a nice bonus, adding value. The food-grade, PFOA/PFAS-free enamel coating is also a plus for health-conscious cooks. However, there are a few potential considerations. The 2-quart capacity is quite small. While perfect for individuals or couples, it won't be suitable for larger families or batch cooking. The heart shape, while charming, might be a bit too niche for some who prefer more traditional cookware. And while the enamel is described as chip-resistant, enameled cast iron can still chip if mishandled, so careful use and cleaning will be important. The effectiveness of the condensation points for retaining moisture is a functional claim that would need to be tested in practice. In conclusion, the Overmont Enameled cast iron Dutch oven is a delightful and functional piece of cookware that leans heavily into its aesthetic appeal. It's designed for those who appreciate both style and substance in their kitchen tools. If you're looking for a compact, attractive Dutch oven for smaller meals, or a unique and thoughtful gift, this heart-shaped pot certainly makes a strong case for itself. Link in the description.